So what I'm doing is fixing that lat in the back, going showing the lat. Okay. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Come. Look right there. Get a couple little nails and a hammer. I'll be right back. I don't know where my hammer is. Give some little nails. Put this piece of wood there to make up for a lat. And then the baby nails her, some little good baby nails. Baby nails. So, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So, So I'm going to start the nail holes. That one's not going the way I want it to go. So we got to put this one in first. That one's not going the way I want it to go either. We actually need to cut it as a 1/4 inch smaller. Not really, but I can get away with it. And that's what I got this thing for. A nail punch. I'm going to mix up some plaster. Okay. Clean out as much as I can with that. Now, where did the other one go? So you just stay. think I think your Panda is in the other one.
My what?
The Panda is in the other bag. I was using it for this, I think. Come down here. Come down here. Come down here. There's still stuff that's dry underneath there that I got to scrape up and mix into the wet mix. So I need to do 1 inch. There is my 1 inch, which is dirty. As good as it's going to get today, as they say. See all the dry stuff? All the dry stuff? Dry stuff needs to be mixed in there. See all the dry stuff? Come down here. Try to your tools right away, or else they're just going to be dirty, and you'll be getting all the specs from the last run. And so it's important to really clean your tools really well so that when you use them the next time, none of the debris from the old mud is going to get into the fresh mud. And so that's so important. It's the hardest thing to deal with, is dealing with cleaning in the middle of working, but without going through the necessities of this cleaning, it'll never make the mud good. You know, this has to be clean to start out fresh every time. So I'll put up some mud. So we're starting out with like 1 inch, and then we're shoving the 1 inches into the lats so that we can build up a base for the lats. And that's our important mission right now, is to get this situated so that mud can go on this in a real correct way. This cuts down, cut that down.